It shows you how to make a Windows 10 virtual machine or virtual box. This already assumes you already have the ISO. If you don't, I'll leave a link in the comments. So first things first, let's boot up VirtualBox, and I'm just gonna put in my folder real quick. Let's call it Windows 11. And now keep in mind this is a dev build, so obviously it's not on here yet. So to make it work, select Windows 10 64-bit. Oh, and by the way, when this does come out, you can't, like, it doesn't work with BIOS, so it only works for UEFI. Just keep that in mind. And obviously this is dev build and it's Windows 2, so it's gonna run like dog water. So let's just make it run at 8096. Probably get 100 B slots, maybe a few memory management errors and whatnot. It'll probably run like a toaster, but whatever. And let's, yeah, create a V hard disk, whatever. Click next, dynamically allocated. Yeah, create. This now the ISO is pretty small, I'm not gonna lie, so it shouldn't take that long, especially for a Windows 2. Also, fun fact, Windows 7 Ultimate for some reason is bigger than the Windows 10 ISO, and this one. That's kind of weird. Okay, so next, the logos changed, whatever, ting, so install now. Okay, so obviously it's not even out yet, so you don't even have a product key. But from what I've heard, you can use Windows 10 product keys for this, so that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna hit I don't have a product key. Yeah, here are all the versions. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna get home. Accept. You can even see the new UI in some of the checkboxes and whatnot. Let's just hit custom. Hit yes. This takes a bit. Ah, we're in, but it's really laggy. Might have done a setting wrong, but yeah, we're in. This is the installed. Not gonna lie, I kind of like it a lot more than the Windows 10 one, because you don't have Cortana nagging you every single second about the dumbest things. So that's pretty cool. Obviously, I live in Uzbekistan. Wait for that. Now chances are you've probably seen the UI for this, and you know it's pretty dog water too. So I'll show you how to bypass that and technically activate it. Skip. I think just like a few more steps after this and we're done. Yeah, I forgot I had like I did this beforehand just to like test this ISO. But yeah, I'm just gonna set it up as a new device. This part is basically Microsoft asking to spawn you. Hit no on all of these. I usually skip this. It doesn't really matter what you pick. And only store files on this PC. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna be here for another 2,000 years, aren't I? Ah, my years. Okay, so now we're in. First thing I like to do on VMs is insert the CD image. All right, so I got that installed. Let's go back in the thing. So as you can see, I have this script right here. Now this will basically some hackerman stuff or something that lets us activate Windows for free. Text document. We'll open it. God, this VM is slow. And then we'll paste what we have from that website in here. And we're going to save as, and then type in whatever you want, and then CMD. So I'll type in win11.cmd. Now we have it. Now we have it. So, oh my god, my brain is just too big. So now we right click run as administrator. By the way, this works for Windows 10 too. For some reason, this takes a little bit longer on 11 than it does for 10, so just wait a bit. Doesn't take that long though. Oh, and by the way, I don't endorse this. By the way, if you have a key, please use the key. This is just because I'm broke and I can't even afford it. All right, so product activated successfully. Let's exit out. All right, let's go to personalization. And yeah, here. So let's let's go to colors and dark mode. Ah, perfect. Now my retinas aren't being burned out. Uh, let's get, what else should we change? Oh yeah, we can also change the taskbar position. This also changes the start menu position too. Keep that in mind. We can also change the wallpaper too. Let's change that. There's a lot of good. There's a lot of good stuff we can change it to. So my favorite is changing it to that. And then we hit this. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie, honestly. My only complaints is that by default, you have to like basically suffer through light mode on Windows, which is horrible. It's on par with Discord light mode. And that also the Windows icon, like bro, look how they massacred my board.